actually we have talking a lot, and we have doing a lot of experiment related to the large language models, such like the ChatGPT, GPT-4, and so on. So actually, the large language model is just like one type of the generative AI. Generative AI is a huge like the family. So besides the text-to-text generations, such like the ChatGPT, and we also have the many other types of like the generative AI, which can take the any type of the data medium and generate any type of the output. So, for example, have you ever thought about the uh, generating your own like the talking AI figures, avatars, like the talking face animations, just by a single static image and some audio sample. So actually, this is not totally available, and let's see how can we do it. So today, the open source library I'm going to experiment is the so-called the SadTalker or the SadTalker. So the SAD stands for the Stylized audio-driven single image talking face animation. Okay, so that it got like the 4,000 plus in the stars already, and it's got MIT license and it's keep growing, quite interesting. So basically, you can see like so you can generate like any like the talking face animations. So best what you need is just like single portrait image and also some audio clip. Then the generative AI model SadTalker will actually to generate some talking head videos for you. So for example, you can even like get some like Elon Musk's images and let Elon Musk the avatars talking, adding like the text, the stories to you. Okay, so that sounds interesting. So actually, it's super simple to use. So and basically, you just need to do 3 steps. First step is this kind of the installations. Depends on your OS system, just like following the instructions for either Linux or Windows or MacBook installation. Okay. Then second step, download the trained models, and actually you can run in this command to download all the models. And then finally, you can just like get started. So and either running some like the highly recommended demos, or just like manually got some command line the command to actually to generate the animation. So basically, we are try using this kind of the bash web UI dot share the script to run the model. Okay, so this is actually the some like the my samples audio clip.
Thank you very much for using GPT-powered virtual voice assistant. See you soon.
So this is actually generated by another AI model for the text-to-speech, the synthesis. I did for some chatbot and the QA bot in the experiment. Then this is some like images, and I got from like the Pixabay, open source, the public images, and then let's say how can we run it? Just like open some command line, and file you install this open source and the download all these kind of the pre-trained models. You can just like running the command, this command. Okay, so what the bash command, and then you have to get this up and running. So they got some endpoint. You can just open your web browser, copy paste this URL link. So here, already open it here. Okay, so and just drag and drop your the sample the audios and the single the static images into um, the the box, and then you can just click on the generate. So basically, if I click on the generate, okay, you can see it's starting to working and starting to generate. Okay, it takes like a while. Okay, that is the processing time. Now it's starting to generate. Okay, you can see, right? Okay, starting to generate. So actually, this step is the most time consuming, like a face rendering, right? So actually I only have like the 5 seconds, the audios, and it's actually the will take me like the 40 minutes actually to generate some like the animation, our talking face. So actually we are not going to be waiting for 40 minutes, right, for this first demo. So but you can see it's still like progressing, okay, 1% now. So actually, so after generations, I can just show you the result. I already got it, the here. So this is audios, okay. So this is static image. This is our audio samples. Let's see what is the result in the talking face animation.
Thank you very much for using GPT-powered virtual voice assistant. See you soon.
You see, not so bad, isn't it? So maybe it's a bit like freaking, yeah. So yeah, just like want to show you this interesting like the open source library, which is give you the ability to actually to DIY, the create your own talking head, talking face, the any like the conversation, the avatars, images for any applications. Okay, hopefully learn something new and talking soon later.